Hi, this is Chef Jeff with TS Fork Restaurant in Tonkawa, and it's really a neat restaurant. It's totally different. It's only open on Friday and Saturday nights. In fact, every Friday and Saturday night I bring the food in to cook it. Nothing's prepared ahead of time. So everything is fresh and from the farm and right to the plate. So it's called a farm to fork restaurant. It's a destination restaurant too, because we just have one seating, and that's for both nights. Now, this unit is really neat. The Cookshack Charbroiler, the 48 one, it has 4 different burners, and I like to use the hickory. That's just my preference. Everybody has their own preference. I just like the way it makes the beef taste. It's very easy to put into the unit, and it doesn't take very much to use it. Like I already opened it from the other side too. So, and then this is one thing that you really want to make sure that you have enough pellets to start the night off with, and you got to kind of monitor it. But I also use the pellets to monitor if I'm not going to use this burner over here for a while, then I'll just starve that trough over there. So it's little things that you figure out to do when using this, and I just spread those evenly throughout there, and we're ready to go for our night's worth. Now, knowing how to work with this, it's a great product, and the thing that you need to do is you need to pay attention to a lot of the details of how you use this piece of equipment. Now, the first thing that you really need to make sure that you do all the time is there's 3 water pans here, and there's a divider here. And that's the reason that the divider is here, because if you do have some type of grease fire in here, it doesn't come out and burn the user. So the water pans back here, just have to make sure you have water in those pans before you fire the unit up, and it doesn't take very long to put water in that, and then just clean them out on a regular basis. The one thing that I like about this unit is this heavy, and I mean heavy, grill. It is very heavy and very durable. Now, the neat thing about this is if I don't have very many to cook, I can just use one side. If I have a bunch, I can use both sides. That will make me have 4 burners. Even if I use the one side and I don't want that to fire up, because they fire up at the same time, I just starve the pellets over here. I don't put any pellets in, and that way it doesn't light up and I don't waste any pellets. And so it's really neat how it works, and it's such a better flavor than a gas flavor. The wood just makes it so much better. So it's real easy to use and real easy to fire up, and you just kind of have to understand all the little things that you need to do to make sure that you get it to work great every time you use it. Okay, I'm going to fire up both sides this time. Now, you don't have to do both. You can do one or the other. And like I said, if you just want to use one burner, you just starve the pellets out of that end. But it's real easy to do. You just push that button, and you just make sure the igniter comes on. And I usually start on low, and that helps me to get the kind of fire that I need. And I always just pull this out just to make sure that they're going in there right. Once the pellets start going in and I see the smoke come out, then I go ahead and I put the flange up so that it's ready to go. If I don't do that, then it doesn't light. Then it always lights. But if it doesn't for some reason, then I've got problems, because this side's hot and this side's not. But real easy to use, and I'll just go ahead and turn the exhaust hood on now. Now I'm going to turn it this way because I'm marking it. I'm doing it for a medium rare cut. For the last time to get a medium rare, and then the same on the pork. At TS Fork, we really enjoy using the Cookshack Charbroiler because it's so versatile and we can do so many different things. We did ribs, we did chicken, pork, and ribeye steaks. We do a lot of other items on there. We do vegetables, corn on the cob. We've done different types of squash items on it, so it's just great for that. It's real easy to use, real easy to clean up, and it's very effective to manage. It's a very, very good product. I hope they enjoy the food. They always do when we cook it on the grill.